Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get approved funding with FastLoanAdvance.com. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here you just have to search for Fast Loan Advance like this, and then just click on the first link, and here you just have to create an account, and then you just have to send a request for whatever amount you want. So if you want $4,000, you select it, or if you want more than $5,000, you just select this option, and then you just have to put in all of your information. And if you get accepted for a loan, and then you will just receive an email, and you will be sent the instructions that you will have to follow to receive your approved funding for your business or whatever it is. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.